There's a 75% risk that you'll develop another autoimmune disease once you're diagnosed with one. Hi, I'm Dr. Keisha Ewers, and I help people reverse their autoimmune disease by healing from the inside out and getting to the root causes. So why do you have a 75% chance of getting another autoimmune disease if you've already been diagnosed with one? Because you haven't gotten to the baseline, to the root causes of the chaos that's happening with the disconnection and the communication between your cells and your immune system. I always say that you are a unique puzzle, and in order to solve that puzzle, we always have to pay attention to all four corners of the autoimmune puzzle. The first is your genetics. Everyone's different. The second is your gut health, endocrine health, your gut microbiome, and all your hormones. The third is the toxic burden that you're carrying around. And the fourth is childhood trauma and how you process stress today based on the meanings and beliefs that you created in reaction to upsets when you were a kid that made total sense to your child self, but you've probably outgrown in adulthood. Each of those is interrelated with the other. In other words, trauma informs how your genetics express themselves. Trauma also informs what your microbiome is going to look like and your adrenals and hormones. Trauma also informs whether or not you will detox well from the toxic burden that you're exposed to in our air, water, and soil these days on planet Earth. So we have to work with all four corners if we're going to get at this. That's why if you just treat symptoms, you'll continue to develop autoimmunity because no one has actually started talking to your immune system in a collaboratively curious way. If you're interested in learning more about reversing autoimmunity, make sure you like this content and follow me here.